Hi everyone. What is project management? Lot of people ask me. There's a lot of confusion in the minds of students and people who work in offices. I will give you a very simple example to let you know what the project management is. You'll be able to apply your talent, your skills on the basis of the example that I am going to give you. Project management is very simple. It is easier for everyone. Let's start. Let's suppose you have to reach office every day in the morning at a certain time. There is a certain distance that you have to travel. So if you start at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, what activities you do at your home? After getting up, you go to washroom. The first thing that you do is to brush your teeth. Then you wash your hands, face, or if needed, you take bath. Then you come out, you dress up. Then you sit for your breakfast. What next? You wear your shoes, you take your bag, car keys or bike keys or whatever the transportation mode is available to you, you take that. Now suppose you have car and you have to reach office at around 8:30 am. So you have taken some time in preparation, leaving your home to the place where your car is parked. After sitting in your car, you start your journey. There are a lot of places that you have to move around. Let's suppose you have three different routes that lead to your office. You have to select any one of them that is convenient. One of them can be the busiest route, the other one can be the shortest, the third one is the easiest, and there won't be any more traffic. And now you can ascertain what time you have left with you and what route you have to take based on your priorities. You might be going for the longest route. As you have to pass by someone, you have to pick someone. So it's up to you. There are different choices available. Then you reach office. That is the activity that is complete from starting point to the end point. There are a lot of activities, there are a lot of things, there are a lot of choices that you had to make. So the first thing, you have broken down the activities to know what are the most important activities. You prioritize them. For example, selection of the route depends on your priority. If you are able to determine cost of each of the activity, you will be able to know that what time you exactly take to reach office. This is all about project management. So if you are able to manage your time on a very small activity every day, that means you have the skills of project manager. You can become an excellent manager. This is a small activity. Maybe it costs you only 1,000 or $100 in a month. But if you are able to manage everything routine basis, so you will be able to manage a project that is worth $1,000,000. So everyone who is watching this video, students, people who are already in this profession, or anyone who is learning project management and want to use this knowledge and skill on the activities, the role, the jobs that he is doing, will be easily able to do this. This is project management. Now, if I explain it On a broader length, there are 9 knowledge areas in the project management. So, scope management, integration management, procurement management, cost management, resource management, stakeholders management, communications management, risk management. There are risks attached to each activity that you do. Let's suppose you, instead of getting up early in the morning, you were late 10 minutes. So now you have little time left to cope with the rest of time to reach to your office. So what does it mean? You have lost 10 minutes. There can be many risks on the way reaching to your office. There can be road accident. Maybe you are going to pick a friend of yours on the way to office and he's late. Maybe there are unexpected traffic jams. There can be anything, any risk. So you have to open up your mind. You have to determine the risk. You have to determine that what are the possibilities in case if you are late, in case if you experience unexpected incident, if you experience unexpected situations. Whatever you do in your life is a project management case. Apply this knowledge on larger, broader, bigger and complex projects. I'll be making more videos on it, explaining each and every specific element in it that will help you to understand and apply this knowledge and skill in your routine tasks. Even if you are not into the project management education or role, even then this knowledge helps you in every segment of the business. Doesn't matter if you are in administration, if you are in HR, if you are in finance or accounts, if you are in handling projects, if you are dealing with customers, in any role in sales and marketing, advertising, you can be the best fit. It will help you in easily administering and organizing things as others won't be able to do. So learn this. Take care, wish you all the best. I'm Farasat Saeed, Sawalnewstv.